This built-in feature is available on iPhone 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, and later iPhones updated with iOS 18.1. Here's how to use this AI feature on an unsupported iPhone. I have an alternate solution so you never miss the cleanup feature by using the Adobe Express app. So you can use the Adobe Express app on any iPhone to get very accurate results, similar to cleanup in the Photos app, as you can see the result on my iPhone done with cleanup in Adobe Express. First, download the Adobe Express app from the App Store. This feature comes under Premium Tools, but you can try it for free for 30 days. Just sign up with your account or create a new one. Then under the Home tab, select AI Tools and choose the Remove Object tool. Then, select Photo from the photo library. Pick a photo and wait for it to upload to cloud storage. After the upload is complete, change the brush size. Keep the brush small to use it precisely. Roll over the object or people you want to remove from the photo. You can zoom in using your fingers to clean it up correctly. Then tap on Remove. Wait, and you'll get multiple results. Select the best picture or generate more samples by tapping on More. Select the picture and keep it. To save it to the camera roll, tap on the down arrow icon at the top right corner. Select the resolution and file type, and download it. After a second, the photo will be saved to your iPhone Photos app. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for new free tech guide video updates.